Hey guys, I'm Andrei from CMI, and in this episode I'm going to talk to you about the difference between data science and data engineering. Data science is concerned with the study of data to get insights. So what that means is that you're primarily working on processing available information, on cleaning it up, on shaping it and making it into a form that lets you then go on and extract knowledge and extract meaningful insights for the organization that you work in. More data science is concerned with the processing. So that means you're going to be focused on how you get the data and shape it. So it could be that you're applying a machine learning model to it, you're trying to model it we're using a statistical model or a probabilistic model or whatever other modeling approach that you can think of. Because the bottom line is that you want to get that raw information into something that your organization can use. And the way they use it is either to get insights about their past performance, predict future trends, or maybe find out more about your customers, or see which products work, which products don't work, and even inform the design and the creation of new products. In data engineering, what you're concerned about is making sure you have the information stored properly within your data store. It could be like a NoSQL database, a SQL database, or any other data storage that you have available. Following from that, you'd also need to set up the pipelines that are required to get that data and do something with it. So you're going to be focused a lot on extracting data from the database and then setting up the pipelines to process it. And the processing could be from another data scientist that creates a model, or from someone that just wants to visualize it and query that information. Or even from another part of your system, who knows? The basic is that you are the backbone and you create the infrastructure and the pipelines that are required for getting data, storing data, and then processing data and using data in different ways. This is it for now. I hope you like it, and if you did, please share, subscribe, and like this video. See you next time.